Today's the day. Replacing my factory bump stops, which are basically useless, with some Sumosprings. So, here is the Sumospring that I'm about to install on my Nissan Xterra. I am super stoked. It should be a very easy installation. I don't even have to take my tire off. All I gotta do is attach this base plate, right? And then take the bolts that are currently on my vehicle for the factory bump stops and just bolt it on each side, and that's it. The only bad thing is it's pushing 100 degrees and I get to use this. If you know, you know, and if you don't know, I hope you never have to know, because my arm after this is going to be destroyed. So with that, let's go. These Sumosprings, the drive is just, it's a night and day difference. With the factory bump stops, they were basically doing nothing for me. Hitting bumps or going into turns just on a basic roundabout was not fun. It just felt like your air pressure was just way too low and you're swaying and you just kind of get just pillowed into that turn, and it's not a fun feeling. And I will say before you come at me in the comments, my tire pressure is totally fine. I checked it, so don't come at me. But yeah, handling these bumps off-road to driving on smooth pavement, it's absolutely amazing. And I wish I would have gotten these Sumosprings sooner. So maybe this is a sign for you to grab some Sumosprings for yourself. There's no lines, no leaks, no maintenance. Absolutely love it. Journey better.